Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel MauryaTech. I am Maurya, and in today's video I have an exciting topic and amazing topic for all of those who learn to all about the hardware part of the computer system. So in today's video I am going to talk about the motherboard of the computer system and the types of motherboard used. So stay in this video till end if you are interested in such topic, and don't forget to subscribe and like our video. So let's start our video. Before we delve into the types, let's understand the basics. The motherboard is like the central nervous system of our computer. It's the main circuit board that connects all the hardware components, allowing them to communicate and work together seamlessly. On number 1 we have ATX, that is Advanced Technology Extended Motherboards. We have the ATX motherboards. This is the most common motherboard form factor you will find in your desktop computer. ATX boards are known for their standardized size and layout, providing ample space for expansion slots, RAM and connector. They are versatile, making them suitable for gaming rigs, workstations and even high-performance PCs. Next on our list is the Micro ATX motherboard. As the name suggests, they are smaller than ATX boards, making them ideal for compact systems. While they have fewer expansion slots, Micro ATX motherboards are perfect for users who want a powerful system without the bulk fitting snugly into small cases. Now let's take it even further with the Mini-ITX motherboard. These little powerhouses are the smallest of the bunch, designed for ultra-compact build and system where space is at premium. Despite their size, Mini-ITX boards often pack a punch, making them popular for home theater PCs and small form factor gaming rigs. If you are seeking maximum power and expansion capabilities, the extended ATX motherboards might be your choice. These boards are larger than standard ATX, providing additional slots for RAM, graphic cards, and other peripherals. eATX is often favored by enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance and are not restricted by case size. ITX form factor. Beyond the standard Mini-ITX, there are variations like DTX and Nano-ITX. DTX offers a middle ground between Micro ATX and Mini-ITX, while Nano-ITX pushes the boundaries of smaller form factor computing, emphasizing energy efficient and compact design. Beyond the form factors we have discussed, there are specialized motherboards tailored for a specific purpose, like server motherboard, for instance, prioritize reality and stability, while gaming motherboards come equipped with features like enhancing audio, RGB lighting, and overclocking capabilities. Choosing the right motherboard is crucial for your system's performance. Consider factors like the chipset, RAM compatibility, and available expansion slots. Whether you are building a gaming rig, a media center, or a powerhouse workstation, understanding your motherboard options is key to creating the perfect setup. Now let me share some facts and special things about each type. First is ATX. It is standardization for flexibility. ATX motherboards follows a standardized form factor, allowing for flexibility and compatibility with a wide range of cases and components. Designed for expansion. ATX motherboards feature multiple PCI Express slots, allowing users to add expansion card slots such as graphic card, sound card, and networking card. Micro ATX motherboards. Compact versatility. Micro ATX boards, while smaller than ATX, still offers versatility. They are an excellent choice for users who want a balance between performance and a small form factor. Common in budget builds. Micro ATX motherboards are common found in budget build kits and systems where space is consideration. Mini-ITX motherboards. These are compact powerhouses. Mini-ITX motherboards are known for their compact size but often pack a punch, supporting powerful processors and dedicated graphic cards. Ideal for home theater PCs. Due to their smaller size and efficiency, Mini-ITX boards are often chosen for home theater PCs, that is STPCs, and common compact gaming builds. Extended ATX, that is eATX motherboards, that is enthusiast choice. eATX motherboards are favored by enthusiasts and professionals who demand high performance and extensive expansion options. Larger form factor. These motherboards are larger than standard ATX, providing additional space for more RAM slots, PCI slots, and other connectors. ITX form factor, DTX and Nano ITX variations. DTX motherboards provides a compromise between Micro ITX and Mini ITX, offering more expansion options than the latter. Nano ITX, on the other hand, focuses on compact size and design, emphasizing energy efficiency. Diverse applications. The diverse ITX form factors caters to a variety of applications, from small desktops and media centers to embedded systems and industrial applications. Specialized motherboards. Server motherboards. These are designed for reliability and stability, often featuring support for multiple CPUs, ECC memories, and robust management features. Gaming motherboards. Gaming motherboards are often include features like enhanced audio, RGB lighting, and robust power delivery system. They are optimized for high performance gaming setup. So here are some factors to consider when choosing a motherboard. First is chipset methods. The motherboard chipset play a crucial role in determining its capability, affecting factors like RAM supports, PCI lanes, and a connectivity option. Second is RAM compatibility. Understanding the supported RAM types, speed, and capability is essential for optimizing system performance. Third one is expansion slots. The number and types of expansion slot, that is PCI Express, M.2, etc. Decade the potential for upgrading and adding additional components. On fourth number we have ever evolving technology. Motherboard technology is continuously evolving, with each new generation introducing improvement in performance, connectivity, and energy efficiency. Customization is key. Choosing the right motherboard involves considering your specific need, whether it's for your gaming, content creation, or compact form factor build. And there you have it. It's comprehensive guide to computer motherboard and their various types. Whether you are a seasoned tech enthusiast or just starting your journey, understanding these fundamental components is essential. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And subscribe for more deep videos into the world of technology. I am Maurya from MauryaTech signing off. Until next time, happy computing.